Hey guys, so this is a quick video on how I contour my face. I find it makes it look a lot slimmer and more defined. I do want to mention though, I understand I'm still fat. You don't need to tell me I'm okay, you know? Anyway, I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Bye! Okay guys, so starting with a cream contour along the perimeter of your cheeks and chin. I'm using the ColourPop Soul Body Bronzing Cream. I don't remember really what it's called, but the name will be in the description. But anyone will do. And then I'm going to go ahead and set it to tone down the color with a MAC Studio Fix powder. And then blending further with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. It's not really about the products you use, it's more so where you place it. So of course with this you would want to cover your ears. However, I have a thing about makeup on my ears, and it always grosses me out. I don't know why. So I avoid doing it as much as I can. So that's why I never do this on the ears. But I would recommend doing it because it would look more seamless. So yeah, and then going ahead and setting it with the Studio Fix powder, kind of toning down that color, and then further blending it with the Physicians Formula. Sorry, I've been a little absent. I did get COVID. I don't know if you guys remember me talking about how sick I was, or am, but I'm vaccinated, so all is well. I just felt like normally I feel like I'm like 1,000 pounds. When I have COVID, I feel like I'm like 2,000 pounds. The fatigue is real. So anyway, going ahead and doing the rest of your face, the blush, highlight. I didn't really film that because you can see that in other videos and it's not relevant to the actual tutorial. But other than that, have a great day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.